We're on the record in cause number 319461. The case is styled the state of Texas versus Amanda Elizabeth Burkhalter. Ms. Burkhalter, would you please raise your right hand? Ms. Burkhalter, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth to help you God? Ms. Burkhalter, you may put your hand down. How are you doing, Ms. Burkhalter? I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Ms. Burkhalter, the information alleges that on or about June 28th of 2018, while you were in Jefferson County, Texas, that you've committed the Class A misdemeanor offense of driving while intoxicated with an alcohol concentration level of 0.15 or more, which is a Class A misdemeanor. Now, Ms. Burkhalter, do you understand what you've been charged with?
Yes, Your Honor.
And to this charge, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest, Your Honor.
Now, you pleading no contest freely and voluntarily?
Yes.
And are you pleading no contest because you do not wish to fight or contest the charges? Ms. Burkhalter, I have before me what is marked as State's Exhibit Number 1. You recognize this document?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Burkhalter, on page 2 of this same document, are these your initials on the line
Yes, Your Honor.
that says no contender, which means no contest?
Yes.
Now, on the next page, page 3 of this document, is that your signature above the line that says defendant?
Yes, Your Honor.
And on the next document, which is the trial court certification of defendant's right of appeal, uh, do you recognize this document?
Yes, Your Honor.
And is this your signature above the line that says defendant? There is one box that's checked at the top of this document. This box states that this is a plea bargain case. You have no right of appeal. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
I also have before me a document that is titled Discovery Certification. Do you recognize this document?
Yes, Your Honor.
And is this your signature above the line that says defendant?
Yes, Your Honor.
Now, prior to signing and initialing these documents, did your attorney, Mr. Shalander, go over these documents with you?
Yes, Your Honor.
And did you read and understand everything in these documents?
Yes, Your Honor.
And is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes, sir.
State, I have before me State's Exhibit Number 1. State, you like to offer States 1?
Yes, Your Honor.
Uh, Any objections? Okay, no objection. State's Exhibit Number 1 will be admitted. State, are you also offering State's Exhibit Number 2?
Yes, Your Honor.
Make me the plea admonishment, I mean the probable cause affidavit?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yeah, no objection. State's Exhibit Number 2 and State's Exhibit Number 1 are admitted. Mr. Shalander, you've advised and counsel Ms. Burkhalter, is there any evidence that she's currently mentally incompetent to stand trial? Ms. Burkhalter, your attorney, Mr. Shalander, has advised and counseled you. Are you satisfied with his representation?
Yes, Your Honor.
Has he provided fully effective and competent legal representation?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Burkhalter, I will accept your plea of no contest. I will find that you are mentally competent to stand trial. I will also find that your plea of no contest and waivers were freely and voluntarily given. I'll also find that there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. State, do we have a plea bargain agreement?
Yes, Your Honor.
And what is that agreement?
The state is offering 180 days, probated over 18 months, a $1,200 fine plus court cost, 80 hours of community service, DWI standard plus interlock.
Okay, Mr. Burkhalter, the state is offering that you serve 180 days in Jefferson County Jail. However, you do not have to serve any time in jail on this case because you'll be placed on probation for 18 months. During the 18-month probationary period, you'll be required to pay a fine of $1,200 plus court costs of $407, which comes to a total of $1,607. You'll also be required to pay a probation fee of $60 each month and a urinalysis fee of $15 each month. And you'll be required to pay the Jefferson County DWI education class an initial fee of $125 on the day of the plea. And if there is a further evaluation that is needed, you'll be required to pay $50. Now, the total monthly installments that you would have to pay for this case is $170. Ms. Burkhalter, would you be able to pay the $170 each month?
Yes, sir.
And Ms. Burkhalter, you will also be required to perform 80 hours of community service, attend the DWI education and alcohol assessment. You'll also be required to install a DWI interlock device on any vehicle that you own or operate, and you also have to adhere to the other standard terms and conditions of DWI probation. Ms. Burkhalter, do you understand the state's offer?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you think that the state's offer in your case is fair and just?
Yes, Your Honor.
And do you accept the state's offer?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, Ms. Burkhalter, I'll follow the plea bargaining agreement that you have entered into with the state. Ms. Burkhalter, you can stand over here on the mark next to your attorney and follow the directions of our clerk, and once you've completed here, you'll be free to go. And Ms. Burkhalter, have a blessed day.
You too.
Thank you.